everyone. Today's quick project is going to be stenciling up this little Ikea crate. I had previously used it on another project, and so it's all stained and some little casters added and handles just for fun. So this is the way it starts, and they are very easily put together with a cordless drill. This round I am choosing Christmas trees and a little bit of black paint, and let's start. I have loaded the brush with paint and now I'm going to offload it so it's a little bit drier to the touch. As you can see, I'm getting a dry brush effect. Then I know it's ready to stencil. So I'm just going to hold the stencil in place where I'm working, and you can either tap, but what I'm choosing to do is a bit of a spin because I want a more transparent look, and because the surface has previously been treated, you will find that the paint isn't going to soak in quite the same as it would on raw wood or fabric. So I find a spin kind of leaves a little bit less paint intact, which is what you want. Okay, now I'm going to move trees down below. What I love about these crates is the fact that you can also stencil the sides. Lots of stencil real estate here. So I'm just going to try and hold it in place as I move. I've got all kinds of hardware in the way, otherwise it would lay flat. I've got a handle right here. So stenciling is always easier on flat surfaces to start, and then you can ramp it up after the fact. Well, that turned out adorable. So there's spruce and fir on this side, and what I really love is some of the letters are faded so they look like a true crate stamp. And on the other side, I have Pick Daily from a previous project, which still works really well for Christmas trees.